Hello everyone, this is developer Anil back again with another tutorial. This time I am going to teach about how to create a sticky div if your content is long in a page and you want a div to be sticky all the time that has got some information about the user or about the page. Then how do we create it? It's very simple to create. We are only going to use HTML and CSS for it. So I've already created a folder here and two files inside it. One is index.html, which is just an HTML empty document. The other one is CSS file named as styles.css. Alright, so first let me go and create a dummy HTML. Let's name the title as sticky div, and then in the body I will go and create some divs. Let's say the container, that is the main container. Let me create some more divs. Let's say left div and the right div. The right div will be the sticky one. Okay, so in the left div what are we going to do? Let me maybe copy a paragraph here. Okay, so this is a paragraph. We are basically trying to create a very long content for the left div, so that when we scroll the page, only the left div is scrolled and the right div, which is the sticky div, that remains sticky all the time. Alright, so for that let me do first para. Let me create some paragraphs, maybe about 8 to 10 paragraphs in total. So that is the first one. Let's go create the second one, third one. I'm going to copy from here till the first one. Let me just rename them. Fourth, then comes the fifth, sixth, and just three more. We'll create in total of 9 ones. So 7th, 8th and 9th one. So these are the divs that I have created. Just left div with a very long content. Let me show you in the browser how it currently looks. Alright, so this is what it looks like at the moment. There are just some plain text there, some paragraphs in it, and this is just the left div at the moment. So in the right div what we'll have is, let's say, some information, that is like share and subscribe for more amazing contents. Okay, so this is a very important information. I'm going to keep it sticky when the page is being scrolled. If we go away and look here, so currently that information is coming over here. Alright, so what do we need to do is we need to stack them side by side and see if we are scrolling the page, then only the left moves, left is scrolled and the right remains sticky. For that we'll write some styles. Let me first link the style here using link tag, and here let's go and do some styling for the container. We'll do a max width of 1200 pixels. We'll do a margin of 0 auto to center it. We will let me do the styling for others, then we'll come back here again. Width will be 70%. I'm giving a more width to this, and then the right div will have the width of 30%. Now if we go back here, so this is taking up 70% and this is coming here below the left div. We don't want that, we want it side by side. So we are going to use a display of flex to the container and check it how it is going to look. Okay, so now this is side by side. We have the content over here, these are all side by side. And then let's do a gap of 3 rem so that we get a little gap here. Currently these are sticking with each other. Now there is a little gap there. Let's do some styling to the right div, which is the sticky div one. Let's say we will do a border of 2 pixels solid and red. If I refresh it, see, we can see a red border around the text. However, the div here, this one is taking up the entire height. We don't want that. Let's set some height, let's say 100 pixels. Okay, looks good, but again the text is like very near to the border. Let's give a bit of padding so they are set apart from it, and that makes it look even better now. Okay, so let's do some font styles. Font size will be set to 1.3 rem. Font weight will be set to bold. Let's say the color to be blue, and then okay, font size to be 1.5 instead. And then let's do a text align to the center. Okay, so this is how it looks currently. However, now if we scroll it, this is still not sticky. Let's see how we are going to make it sticky. To make any div sticky, we are going to simply use the position to be sticky. Okay, there is a very basic one. The position is set to sticky. Now let's check it out. Let me reload and see the div is not yet sticky. Why is it so? It's because to make any div sticky, even though you are going to place the div at the top of the page, you must provide some top value there. Let's say 5 pixels or 10 pixels, whatever it may be, but that property must be there if we are using position sticky for any div. Okay, so I've saved it. Let me go do some reload, and now if I scroll, you can see that only the left div is being scrolled while the right div is there sticky all the time. Okay, so if you just notice it here, it's just 2 lines of code. Position sticky, and the most important thing is you must set the top value, otherwise that's not going to work. Okay, so just this is a very simple HTML file with just some text and div. We have got some styling here. We've set the container, the left div and right div. This is the sticky div. Just remember, to make any div sticky, the position is sticky and must set the top value to some pixels, whatever it may be very small, maybe a bit large based on the requirement, but it should be there. Alright, so this is it for today's tutorial. I'll be back with another tutorial very soon. Till then, keep learning, keep coding. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel as well. I'll be bringing in more amazing contents about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Laravel, Livewire, PHP and more. So stay tuned.